Hasti Tripurani Nobar Twibar swlaijak tongmani noti kok sakha Bolong Matri Animesh Debbarma. Tripura Climate Change Cell Department of Science, Technology and Environment Bakhakti Kadak Shaloli Trubagani Bamboo and Can Development Institute Nobar Twibar swlaijak tongmani tai bufang wafang kaibai simia Ketal bufang kaifruni simi toria shak naikoli tishanani Nobar Twibar swlaijak thani wa bufangni nangkukma rokno twibo pandani bishinti kok sakha.
I have seen even in my village, there is one small stream. And every year soil erosion happens. So our elders in the village, they are the greatest scientists, I am telling you. You all will become scientists by studying in college or universities, and you will be taught by your professors and lecturers. But these scientists in the villages, they are the natural scientists. Our elders in the village, they planted bamboo by the bank of that river or stream. Soil erosion stopped. So this is where bamboo can really play a crucial role in soil erosion, decreasing in soil erosion, and also you can conserve this soil. So bamboo plantation from Forest Department, I also hold the charge of Forest Department. I keep telling our officers, Sashi is also IFS officer, he is also our department, parent department's officer, he is the CCM territorial. The entire forest territory is under Dr. Sashi Kumar. So he is always observing the whole of the state, where deforestation is happening, where encroachment is happening. We keep discussing that bamboo plantation has to happen. Knowing the fact that it can absorb more carbon dioxide than the trees, why are we not going for bamboo plantation? So Forest Department in days to come will plant more bamboo in Tripura so that Tripura can have better climate. And then you all students, you should know this. We are already having 73% forest coverage in Tripura. What is the national average? Only 22%. You just see that the entire country, on an average, we have only 22% forest coverage. And Tripura, it may be a small state, we still have 73% of our area which is under forest coverage. So Tripura's role will be very crucial in the entire Northeast and also in the country as well as in the global climate change. Why there are projects coming in Tripura from Japan? There is one JICA project going on. Indo-German from Germany. World Bank has already financed us for another project called World Bank Element Project. And all these projects, we are aiming at to help